Okay, this is going to be a quick walkthrough of CMLG Change Management Looking Glass. This is intended for a very specific audience, so certain knowledge is going to be assumed, and I'll point out some things that might be random to a random observer, but should make sense to the people to whom it's directed. So first of all, the environment. We're looking at a Ubuntu Linux virtual machine running on Windows. This is development environment. The main dependencies you need in the system are MySQL Server, Python 3, Apache 2, Flask for our WSGI module into Apache. The structure, this is the overall file structure of the application. Some of these files are not exactly correct and probably need to be fixed in the diagram, but this will be sufficient to walk through it. So you see CMLG base.py. This is where we import all of our main Python libraries. You can do a pip freeze in one of these development environments and get a list of those packages and libraries we use. These UAC.py files are where we store user access credentials, URLs, usernames, passwords to get into various systems like Airwave, IMC, and to SNMP and or SSH directly to network devices. There are other functions in CMLG base that we'll go through in future videos. There's other functions that are used frequently throughout CMLG, so we put them in the base, and this base gets imported into virtually every other CMLG file. The best way to look at the architecture of the application is we have a front end and we have a back end. The back end interacts with the network, with Airwave, with IMC, and with other systems, and collects data and writes it into the database. The front end reads out of the database and presents information generally through the web app.